In today's video, I will teach you how to convert an XD file to PSD using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Photopea website. Now click File, then open from the top menu or simply drag and drop the XD file onto the Photopea workspace. Now locate and select your SD file from your computer. It may take a few seconds to load, especially for larger files with multiple artboards and layers. And once your XD file is open and displayed, click File, then Save as PSD. Then choose where you want to save the PSD file on your computer. And your XD file is now successfully converted to PSD. Now open the saved PSD file in Adobe Photoshop or Photopea to check if everything converted correctly. Then verify if the layers, artboards, and other elements are intact and editable. And here's a couple of tips for better conversion. First is ensuring proper layer organization. Check your SD file beforehand to ensure the layers are named correctly and organized. This will make the conversions cleaner and easier to manage when you add it to PSD. Make sure to also check compatibility after conversion. Occasionally, effects or special layer styles may appear slightly different in PSD, so be sure to review and adjust them as needed. Converting Adobe XD files to PSD format is straightforward in Photopea. Simply open the PSD file in Photopea and save it as a PSD. This process eliminates the hassle of manual conversions and makes it easy to switch between design tools. With this guide, you can convert your designs quickly and keep working efficiently across different software platforms. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.